On YouTube, there are many channels gaining a significant number of subscribers and earning money by uploading animated story videos. Some of these channels are making up to $10,000 within a few months and have a substantial subscriber base. So in today's video, we will learn to create animated stories like them, and I will also show you the tools that can help you to prepare your animations within seconds just by adding text. Let's get started with our video. First, we will create our story using ChatGPT. However, before entering the prompt into the ChatGPT, let me inform you that you should avoid using common prompts like write a short story or write a kid stories to ensure a unique result. Instead, you can use this prompt: write me a short story about two young girls, one from a city and the other from a rural area, who discover a shared passion for science. They collaborate on science projects with the potential to transform their community. Please maintain a friendly and storytelling tone. So the next step is that our story has been generated. Now I will input prompts into ChatGPT to help us find images for our story. I will say I want to create an animated YouTube video about this story. I want to use images to make this story. Could you suggest images? ChatGPT will then provide me with the lines I need for the images I have prepared for my story. So now for the tools we are going to use, you will need to visit Decoherence.co website. If you are accessing this on mobile device, you will have to use desktop version. If you are on computer, that's even better. We will go to decoherence.co and here we will have access to specific interface. Here we can create our images and prepare our animations just by entering text. We can also create music videos. After signing up, we will have some options available during the free trial. I will click on new project. Once I am in there, I will see various options. If you are creating a video for YouTube, you can click on 16:9 ratio option and we will have an interface like this. So in this box that we have here, we will type in our prompt for whatever animation we want to create. We have already had our prompts written with the help of ChatGPT. First, for creating the initial scenes, I will copy it from here and paste into this box. The platform will then provide us with our ready-made images. Let's say we have prepared 4 images and I will select one of them for my video. Now we will click on effects and here we will have various options for effects. I will choose one effect that will add an animated effect to our video. I have already selected this effect. After choosing an effect, we also have 3 options like intensity such as weak, moderate or strong. You can choose whichever suits the movement you want in your animation. After that, to create our next scene, I will click on add scene and here I will go back to ChatGPT to copy the next prompt. I will then paste it and click on generate images. In just few seconds, it will generate our images and from there we can select one image. Now in this interface, there is an option for choosing the style for creating our images. We can choose any AI style for creating our images. For example, for creating my next image, I have selected the photorealism AI style. Previously, I generated the first 2 images using the default style, but I have chosen photorealism style. I will go back to ChatGPT to copy my next prompt, which is her family driving from the city into the countryside. Then I will come back to this platform, paste it and click on generate images. In a matter of seconds, it will create the images and I can select one. We will continue with these steps, creating images for each scenes. We will continue adding effect to them. We will copy our prompts from the scenes we have generated and paste them here. We will add effects to them, but there's another option here. If you don't want to generate images from here and prefer to use images you have generated separately, you can do that too. For instance, I am on leonardo.ai and here I will type a prompt like click on image generation. After that, I have chosen the 3D animation style. These images like the ones we have generated earlier can also be added to our scenes. I will click here and we will have many options for images. You can generate images this way as well. Additionally, if you prefer, you can upload your images separately by clicking here. As for me, I have generated all my images on Decoherence. Along with this, you also have the option to add music that suits your video. For voiceover, we will head over to 11labs.io. We will copy the story that we generated with the help of ChatGPT and paste it here. Then we will select our voice and get our voiceover ready. After that, we will go back to Decoherence and click on the option that represent music. We will see some options and after clicking here, we will upload the voiceover that we prepared. We will adjust our scenes according to the voiceover. I have already adjusted the scenes based on my voice, extending or trimming them as needed. Now let me tell you about another feature. After clicking on style, you can create scenes with different AI style. For example, I initially generated my images with the default style and photorealism style. Now I will select film noir to generate images giving a different artistic touch. You can experiment with various AI style for your images. I have already adjusted my voiceover to match my scenes. You have many options here such as clicking on generate video. After that, and you will see some of them. They asked me about the cost for this video, which is 1 minute and 20 seconds long, costs 630 credits. They will ask if you want to continue, and then your video will be created. As soon as my video is ready, the download option appears, and there is also an upscaling option. If you want to upscale your video, this is optional. I have upscaled my video and downloaded it. If you are working on multiple projects on website, you can leave them and come back to continue working on them. Before showing you my story, I would like to inform you that this platform offers 3 types of plans: basic, creator and director. Each plan has different benefits. In basic plan, you will receive 3000 credits per month. In creator plan, you will get 15,000 credits per month. In the director plan, you will receive 60,000 credits along with various other benefits. If you choose director plan, you will have access to 200 minutes and can work on 50 projects, each capable of creating 10 minutes long video. You also get 8 unique AI style to enhance your animations. This means you can create unique animation in various aspect ratios suitable for platforms like TikTok, YouTube or Instagram. Additionally, there is a recent update introducing a new AI style called Fluid, which can create remarkable videos providing consistency and generating realistic motion for subjects in your video. You can find the link to this website in the description below. If you decide to purchase a plan, you can use my discount code, which is skillboot10, to receive extra 10% discount. Whether or not you choose to use the code is up to you. Now let's see how our animation turned out.
In a world where cities met farms, 2 girls, Mia and Lily, were from different places. Mia lived in a big city and Lily on a farm, but fate brought them together. One sunny day, Mia's family went to the countryside. They left the tall buildings and found open fields. This made Mia very curious. In the nearby village, Lily loved science. She had homemade tools to study the stars and plants. She read books from her grandpa. Mia's family found a sign, Lily's Science Corner. They met Lily, a girl who loved teaching science. Mia and Lily liked each other's knowledge. They both loved science. One night, they had an idea under the stars. They wanted to help Lily's village with a solar-powered system for farming. Mia knew about city tech, and Lily knew about farming. They worked hard for months. They made a system that helped the village's fields even when it was dry. Their project helped the village. Everyone joined in, and the village became an example of good farming. As years passed, Mia and Lily kept working together on science. They used what they knew from the city and the farm. Their friendship showed that friends can make the world better for everyone.
Amazing animation with no effort. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below what topic you would like to see on my channel. Thanks for watching.